on the boat with a Manchester, where are you from?
Wales.
Wales?
Wales, fucking scumbag.
Wales. Hey, they're all sheep shaggers from Wales. Oh, we're busy on that because I'm having problems roaching my split. We're travelling around the lake now.
Yeah, seriously, the edge, because the
Little
split
trick,
on the water. Oh, shit, come there.
Oh, power.
Yeah, mate.
Don't worry about them. Can they swim?
No.
That's the only way they're going to get us, isn't it?
Fucking
I'll tell you what, you think sure on this camp are going to swim to get us. I don't. Personally, do I care? I don't give a flying fuck.
No.
Oh, they're coming now! The security is coming!
Well, I hope they get to the pedalo and try and chase it. We are going to the banking because I am not some 10-year-old. These boats. So I suggest they get swimming. Hello, people. Can we shine the camera?
Yeah, it's good to see the side and we can get off. Good to see
Let's go to the other side to get off because we're in the middle of the lake and they can't swim. Have you got armbands? Can you get your rubber ring out and kiss us? Because I don't feel like the type of guy who's going to run. So, I'm going to sit here, enjoy my split, wait for the 5-0, and enjoy my Stella. Can you stop drinking that? Thank you. Hello. Right, stop. Hold back. Well, this shit is fun, and they're not smiling. They're on holiday, and they aren't. But this shit belongs to use people on YouTube, and this is for free. And we did pay £7 today for an hour, and got fed up after 10 minutes. So we're just getting our other 50 minutes worth. Not a problem, because the police are going to come down, and it's going to be one big arrest. It's going to be, they stole a pedalo down there in Wales on the holiday camp. You're going to get done for twat. Stealing a vehicle without consent. Oh my God. I've never had a charge like that. I think we should get off now.
Let's get off now, because I don't want the fucking fuzz involved.
Wait, do you think they're getting
Yeah,
we're a pedal.
We'll get off! We'll get off and we'll watch you!
Yeah, let's go.
No problem.